Hello and welcome to our channel. If you're in the market for a high-quality, reliable, and efficient industrial panel PC, then you've come to the right place. Today, we will be taking a closer look at the 121015-inch industrial tablet panel PC desktop computer. Resistive Touch Core i3 Win XP, 7/10 system USB SSD Wi-Fi mini PC. This industrial PC is designed to meet the demands of industrial applications, with a range of customizable options to suit your specific needs. From the durable metal material to the optional memory and storage configurations, this panel PC is built to handle even the most demanding work environments, featuring an integrated Intel Core i3 processor. This industrial panel PC delivers powerful performance while consuming low power, making it a cost-effective solution for your industrial needs. The optional SSD storage provides fast, reliable data storage, and the system supports Windows XP, 7/10, Linux operating systems for maximum compatibility. The LCD touchscreen boasts a high brightness display with excellent contrast ratio and wide viewing angles, ensuring clear and crisp visuals even in challenging lighting conditions. With a range of interface options including VGA, HDMI, COM, USB, and audio, this panel PC offers versatile connectivity for a variety of applications. One of the most impressive features of this industrial panel PC is its ability to operate stably in harsh environments, with a wide working temperature range and resistance to high and low temperatures. The industrial cold-rolled sheet metal shell ensures durability and reliability, making it an ideal choice for industrial control, medical, production, and surveillance applications. What's more, this industrial panel PC is fully customizable to meet your specific requirements. From logo and color customization to additional functions and interface options, our team is dedicated to providing timely and thoughtful service to ensure that you get the perfect solution for your needs. So, if you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and customizable industrial panel PC for your industrial applications, look no further than the 121015-inch industrial tablet panel PC desktop computer Resistive Touch Core i3 Win XP, 7/10 system USB SSD Wi-Fi mini PC. Be sure to check out the link in the description to find out more and make a purchase. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more industrial solutions and reviews.